shishe ogbuato. Today, I will share a teaching with you from Odu Ifa Ose Oturupon, where Ifa teaches us the following. For several years, the elephant had been roving. The elephant had never been hit with the javelin. For several months, the buffalo had been wandering. The buffalo had never slipped into a ditch. A person who does not appreciate the value of fellow human beings, who does not recognize the importance of a fellow human being, a person who is not well learned, that is the person who will say a woman does not amount to anything in life. These were the declarations of Ifa to Ewuji. When going to collect a brass rafter in heaven, she was advised to offer sacrifice. She complied. She declared that the brass rafter which she had collected, let nobody underestimate it here or be insolent to her. Those who show respect, they will be blessed with wealth. They will be blessed with spouse. They will be blessed with children. They will be blessed with longevity. Let no one use any negative language on women. Ashe. So this verse is touching on the importance and the necessity to be respectful toward women, to appreciate the value of a fellow human being, to recognize the importance of a fellow human being. A person who is not well learned, a foolish person, is the person who will say a woman does not amount to anything in life. The verse goes on to say that a person who shows respect toward women will be blessed with wealth. That person will be blessed with spouse, with children, with a long life. And the verse concludes by saying, let no one use negative language on women. Let no one speak bad words toward women. The verse also says that we mustn't underestimate women. Those who show respect toward women will be blessed with all good things in life. May the Olumile support us. Ashe.